Welcome to the acceleration simulation. In this simulation, you will investigate how speed, acceleration, fuel consumption, carbon dioxide emission, and system wear are related. To begin the simulation, first choose a vehicle. Please note that the vehicles have different weights and shapes. By the way, you can use the other two simulations in this module to study the impact of mass and shape on motion. Next, choose a speed. In this case, I chose 10 meters per second. Note that the vehicle is getting up to that speed and that the gauge shows a speed of 10 meters per second. Then choose an acceleration. I chose a value of 2 meters per second squared. See how the vehicle's speed is increasing? Also, note how the fuel consumption, carbon dioxide emission, and system wear values are changing, so make sure to record these values. You can also take a screenshot to save the values on each gauge. Next, you can view the graphs made during the vehicle's motion. Click on Display Data Graphs. The first graph shows how the vehicle's speed changed during its motion. Again, take a screenshot to preserve your data. Click on the tabs above the graph to view and record the different factors' graphs. Doing a single test is rarely enough to find meaningful trends or patterns. Click on Restart Simulation to change the weight, shape of vehicle, speed, and acceleration to find their effect on fuel consumption, carbon dioxide emission, and the wear on the various systems of a vehicle. Don't forget to save your data, and that you can use the other two simulations as part of your study.